Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Jamaican-born rap star Sandra Denton, popularly known as Pepper, ecstatic after being inducted into the 2025 class of the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Salt-N-Pepa is set to receive the Hall of Fame's prestigious Musical Influence Award, honoring their groundbreaking impact on hip-hop and their role in opening doors for women in the genre and beyond. In a sit-down with E-Prime, the Grammy Award winner shared her joy.
To hear that news, that's something I've been waiting for. I want that one because it amplifies, what music, as musician, not anything else, but music, what you came into this game and mastered, and I put a lot of work in it, and to be recognized, like I said, the worth and the contribution, I would say, to join that list is huge.
Longtime friends Cheryl James, Salt, and Denton met while studying at Queensborough Community College in New York.
Having Jamaican parents, it was very difficult to tell my mom at the time. My mom I think I'm gonna be quitting school and going into the group. Quit what?
In 1985, while working at Sears, a co-worker, producer Herbie Lovebug Azor, invited Pepper to audition for a group he was assembling, launching what would become a legendary career.
He was like, all right, I need to know if you could rap. I had this one little rap that I had everywhere I went. I was like, I'm saying the D from coast to coast. I like the boast, and I'm the most. I was just that little one too, and he was like, okay, you're in.
With the success of the 1986 hit Push It, Salt-N-Pepa became the first female rap act to earn platinum certification. Their influence helped them land among the first ever nominees for the Grammys Best Rap Performance category. Their hits from Push It to What a Man and major accolades cemented their place in the industry.
A lot of people, because it was such a male-dominated field, of course they thought we was just gonna be an overnight success, and we just got lucky, and then we was just doing hits after hits, and we're like, oh, these girls, this ain't no joke.
While Salt has stepped back from touring, Pepper continues to bring energy and nostalgia to the stage and says the thrill never gets old.
I see my fans, they coming up, they showing out, they singing, they there, and I always said, listen, if I come where I don't see anybody in the room no more, then I'll be like, all right, I guess that's it.
2025 Rock and Roll Hall of Fame induction ceremony will take place later this year at the Peacock Theatre in Los Angeles. Now, on the international scene, U.S. President Donald Trump on Sunday announced a 100% tariff on movies produced outside the United States and imported into the U.S. The president said he was authorizing the Department of Commerce and a trade representative to start the process to impose the levy because America's film industry was dying a very fast death. He blamed a concerted effort by other countries that offer incentives to attract filmmakers and studios, which he describes as a national security threat. However, the White House said Monday no final decisions have been made about the film tariffs. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.